Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, iPod adapter, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Toyota Entune, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, wheel covers. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.